Assalamu alaikum dear student. Yesterday we have seen that how to write the vectors in component form and we found the magnitude of the vectors. So today we are going to do vector addition, vector subtraction and scalar multiplication. This is a very easy concept. You just need to follow these formulas. If A equals to the vector A equals to A1, A2 in component form and B equals to B1 plus B2. Our vector then k is a scalar, then the following are true. So vector addition a plus b, so you have to just add the x component, the first here a1 plus b1 comma a2 plus b2, and in subtraction you have to do a1 minus b1 and a2 minus b2. If you multiply any scalar ka here, k with the vector a, so you have to multiply this k with both the components k times a1 and k times a2. For example, find 2w plus y. For w equals to 2, negative 5 and y equals to 2, 0. And z equals to minus 1 and minus 4. So these are the given things. So in the part A, you have to find 2w plus y. So 2 and write the w here and plus y. Just substitute here. Then you have to multiply this scalar. 2 times 2 is 4 and 2 times minus 5 is minus 10 plus 2 0. Now when you add them, 4 plus 2 and minus 10 plus 0. The answer is 4 plus 2 is 6 and minus 10 plus 0 is minus 10. The answer now find 2w plus y for these vectors. It's again the same example is there. So you have now you can see here 2 times 2 is 4 and minus 10, and then you add them together to get the vector. Answer is minus 6 and minus 10. Now we want to find 3y minus 2z. So this is, we have to substitute first. So 3y plus and minus 2z. So 3 times the value of y plus minus 2 times the value of z. So it becomes 3 2 is 6 and 3 times 0 is 0, plus minus 2 times minus 1 is 2 and minus 2 times minus 4 is 8. So 6 plus 2 and 0 plus 8, so the answer is 8. This is a guided practice for you. So you have to do 3v plus 2w. Yani 3 you multiply with v and 2 you multiply with w, and then you add them together. So 3 times 4 is 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. And 2 times by minus 1 is minus 2. No, you have to do 3 times by minus 1 is minus 3 plus 2 times by 5. So the answer would be 6 and 7. So this is the end of this objective. So you have to practice exercise 8.2, page 497, question 11 to 19 odd. Thank you very much. Have a good day.